Ang maging problema natin diyan, yung tinatawag nating responders or first responders as victims.
Yes.
Honestly, yung ating facilities sa ngayon is not prepared for that. Yung mga first responders natin ay nakatira din sa mga low-lying areas. So I would anticipate that we ourselves can become victims of that. At dahil dyan, inorganize natin yung Coast Guard to be mutually reinforcing. Yung mga kalapit na mga districts, sila ang magpo-provide ng support component dun sa national effort to address kung sakaling magkaroon ng tsunami. But we are very mindful of that. Kaya sa ngayon, ang aming facility development plans have already considered yung resilience natin to these natural disasters. We will be moving some of our units to better places to be more resilient. Pero admittedly, yan siguro ang magiging isa sa pinakamalaking problema ng mga first responders. Yes. When the big one, when yung Manila Trench moves, baka wala nang halos matira ng mga first responders because their facilities are not well designed to address it.